In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to transfer USDT from Binance to your account in FxPro. So guys, go to FxPro and go to this option fund, click on fund option, and then guys just wait. This is a deposit, and so you can choose USDT in this one, and I will use ERC20, and then copy this address. Use any network you want to deposit or you want to make a transfer. Copy this address, go to Binance. From the Binance, go to transfer, and then from transfer choose the crypto USDT, and then write your amount you want to transfer. Make sure you have enough amount. In my case, I don't have amount. After click confirm, you can copy this address and paste here, and or you can scan your codes and then you can use here. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content. So guys, just click transfer and choose this crypto here, and then choose your amount you want to transfer, and then guys all you have to do, make sure USDT here. So guys, make sure this fit and spot. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.